Hello everyone, let's start our work with the workbook, and today we are doing the next day activities, the day 70. Okay, so let's start. Draw a line from the animal to the place where they live. Here are some animals you can see easily, and here are the place. This is land, water. This is land and water. Some animals lives in water, some lives on the land, and some animals lives on the land and in the water also. So we will define here. Okay, I have shared video to you the pet animals, domestic animals, wild animals, and water animals, and amphibians also. So in these videos you can find that there are a lot of animals that live on the land, and some animals live in the water, and some animals live in water and on land also. Okay, so let's see what is this. This is stingray fish. So where it live? It lives in the water, so you will match it in the water. What is this? This is dolphin. So where it live? It lives in the water, so you will match it. And this one is dog. Where does a dog live? The dog lives on the land, so you will match it here. And this one is frog, and frog is an amphibian. It lives in water and on land also, so you will match it here. This is lion, and lion lives on the land, so you will match it here. And the crocodile lives in water and on land also, so you will match it here. Okay, so come on the next page. Here you can see trace and write the letters. Here are some letters given to you. U, V. These are small letters. And here you can find the some words under, up, under, up. That comes from letter U. So you will write and trace here. Okay. And this is the bass violin, and V sound is here, and so we use the letter V. So we will complete this work also. Come on the next page. Yes, touch the letter with your index finger. What is this letter? Yes, this one is X. Okay. In X-ray you can find your bone structure. Okay, so come on the next page. Yes, here are some words that have the X word. Okay, ox. In ox you can find that the last sound is kush. Ox, kush, है ना? So we use the letter X for the kush sound. Here is X-ray, X-ray. So here are some capital X and here are some small x. You will trace them and write in the blank sheet. Okay, come on the next. Match the opposite. Okay, yes, let me know. Here are some pictures and here are also some pictures, but you can see here that some pictures are small and some pictures are big. So let me know. Yes, this one picture is small. Small क्या होता है? छोटा. And its opposite is this one is big. Big क्या होता है बड़ा? ये small, big. Okay, come on the next. Yes, this jar is, you can see here, that in this jar there is no snail. snail नहीं है ना इस jar के अंदर, and in this jar there is a snail. Okay, so this is out from the jar, and in this picture you can find that the snail is in the jar. Okay, so here is the opposite word is out, out, in, out, in. Okay, and come on the next picture. Yes, you can see the boy is on the top of the swing. Okay, this is the up position, up, and here you can see the boy is come on the land and it is in the down position. So what is the opposite of up? Down. Up, up, down. Okay, you can see here up, down. So we'll match it and come on the next page. Do as directed. जैसा आपको बताया गया है वैसा आपको करना है. क्या करना है हमें देखते हैं. Tick the one that is tall in each set. आपको बताना है कि इन दोनों में टोल कौन सा है. टोल क्या होता है? लंबा. एंड टोल का अपोजिट क्या होता है? शॉर्ट. शॉर्ट क्या होता है? छोटा. ओके, सो विच वन इज टोल हियर? Yes, this one. So you will tick here. And in this picture, which animal is long here? Yes, giraffe. So you will tick here. Come on the next line. Tick the one that is short in the set. आपको यहाँ पर दो सेट दिए हुए हैं. आपको इनमें से बताना है कि शॉर्ट कौन सा है, छोटा कौन सा है. ओके, सो दिस इज short and this is tall. Okay, so you will tick here because it is short. And come on the next. Yes, this one is tall but this girl is short. This girl is short from the boy, so we will tick here. Come on the next page. Here you can see that what is this? Yes, you play a game snake and ladder. This one is the picture of that. And here are the numbers from 1 to 50. And some numbers are missing here. So you will write the missing numbers and color the snake. And you use the dice if you have, and play a game also. You can play a game. Okay, come on the next page. Yes, this picture have a lot of numbers. How many numbers are here? From 1 to 50. So you will match each dot like this and you will count the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Okay, and when you complete it, then you will color the picture. Okay, so do your work of the day 70. Okay, bye bye.